Yes. Well, they don't know, say One Nation, I'm our nation. My name is Nigo Simar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Zime. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. Zime. Yo, the Queen has dropped her music video, you understand, for the official song. You understand, name, You're Not Ready. And we all know who that is geared towards. Because right now it look like, say, you know, it's RJ against the world. RJ against the world right now. RJ are the super villain, you see me? So, we see me watch up a video. I give it a one list still just for prep myself, you see me? So, no bag of long chat. We just go straight tonight right now, you understand? So, this is Tavi Zoe. You're Not Ready. And as again I say, we all know who it's for. But anyway, let's go. Hola. No. We supposed to stop the song. Wow. No. We supposed to stop the song after the first 8 line, you see me? And then review that 8 line there. But the verse and then the chorus gone, and then we're back into the second verse, you know. This is unbelievable. No, mama, no. Yeah, forget one more of them there, and I forgot start over the tune. No, man, I tune that. Mama. Tavizoe, your voice on point, video clean, the rhythm sound like a Afrobeat type song, you see me, like one of them Wizkid or Davido thing or One Day Cole type beat, you see me, one of them, yeah. Mama, this stink. I have pull up about this right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, say, yo, this is You're Not Ready by the one and only Tavizoe. Ratings. Hold on. Why the fuck she got the hardest song out of all of una man? You hear what she, it's in a flow that she going on? Do you get no ratings? Turn on a plaything. Wouldn't as man for be ashamed on a bumbuckler itself. Tavizoe. At the most never let out so much blood clot sound effects in our video to bumbuckler. Go continue. Yeah, now stop texting Bobby them. Mama in our field. See that? RJ, you're up right now. RJ, don't mean nobody telling nothing. You're up right now. You're up right now. You want to know how you would have dead if she didn't make a blood class song and say, yo, my boy, the fuck her better. But no, brother. You have her in her feels. She write a song for the G. She love the G. Or is it because she realized that the G not really too in a she? You understand? So the dog have her in her, brother, you're up right now, RJ. If you agree, that's what I know, so I agree in the comments. Yo, you're up. Tavizoe. Tune bad in a bumbuck like we'll finish it right now. Yo, I'm telling you this right now. Solid. You have the best tune out of all of them youth here. Tavi mother. Yo. Imara Nation Podcast. Yo, right now, you have the best song out of all of everybody when I say I put out song. Your song better than RJ song. Your song better than all of Chuck song. Your song better than Atatube song. I know so all on. Now let me not say that because I'm not running the business. But yeah, the prank that turned into the beef, out of everybody who put out song, your song are the best. Hands down, your video are the best. You actually know your song. If you watch, I thought you know of some of theme song too. Chuck and RJ don't know nothing. You know your song. Otto know him song. This is how you perform. You, I would say, are a more seasoned artist than all of the man them. This is my rating. Tavi Zoe first, RJ, Chuck, and then Otto. Tavi Zoe, you have a future in music, and we're ready for it. You get the Negos co-sign. Man, I co-sign nobody else out, but you get the Negos co-sign. Come your artist. Was check the pedigree. Long time we do this. You used to rap on RETV face off. Every day we come on TV in RETV. You understand what I say? Rapping, them time rapping at Jamaica never hot. But you don't know so we're artists same, we're writers same, we write music or write film and them thing there, see me? Have it the way you have it. And make sure so you put out at least one song every 2-3 months. Your voice bad. Rhythm bad. Mix down nice. Video clean. I like that. I like that. Take it easy upon RJ. You don't know say One Nation and MR Nation. I don't know what you're thinking in the comments. I don't know. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I say? Up move.